This product claims to give a light to medium hold. I guess we're going to have to find out together, won't we, Roses? Stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today we're going to be trying out the Manuka Honey Flaxseed Gel from Product Junkie Natural. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to do so. First off, with this particular product, I love the way it comes out of the bottle smoothly, and it is very smooth to the touch. I can smell the sweet almond oil in it, as well as the honey. And I can definitely tell this is made up with aloe vera gel and flaxseed gel. So, in reading the back, the directions say, for a wash and go, on wet hair, apply leave-in and then apply gel. Enough to coat section. Distribute evenly using a raking method. Once dry, style as desired. So as you can see, once I applied this gel to my hair, to me it looks like it started curling up. I mean, it hit my hair and my hair is like, okay, I'm supposed to curl up, so that's what I'm going to do. While I'm sectioning off my hair, just so you guys know, my hair is already wet, clearly, but I've also already applied the Product Junkie Naturals Honey Hydration Leave-In Conditioner. As the directions say, to use a leave-in first, and I've already done that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on smoothing this Manuka Honey Flaxseed Gel through my hair. And as I'm doing this, it has enough slip to help me detangle further. And this is great because even though I already wet my hair and put in leave-in conditioner, it was not previously detangled. So this helps quite a bit. It soaks straight into my strands. As you can see, the definition is starting already. And as you can also see, I'm able to easily run my fingers through my hair. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, Roses, is just speed up the rest of this video while I apply the rest to my hair, and then we'll begin the air drying process. Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into the hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. So right now my hair is drying. We'll see what happens. You know good and well the shrink is real, so it will not be looking like this once it's dry. But what a great way to dry your hair. Take a walk and just let it dry in the sun. It is light enough that by the time I came back from my walk, my hair was about 95% dry. As you can see, the curl definition is there. And at the point I actually do this voiceover is 3 days later. There's been no flaking. My hair is still moisturized. I still have my definition, and there's been no added frizz whatsoever. So let me know if you tried this product, Roses. I agree, it does give a light to medium hold, and it did exactly what it came to do. So I'm satisfied. Other than that, Roses, I will talk to you in the next video. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Is that you're doing well?